Join me as I dive into the world of Kling AI and see if I can use its power to completely revolutionize my daily routine. Welcome to a world where technology is meant to simplify our lives, but sometimes it feels like it's doing the exact opposite. That's where Kling AI comes in, on a mission to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and the world around us. We've all been there, struggling to keep up with the latest software updates, feeling overwhelmed by the constant stream of notifications, and wondering how to make sense of it all. The truth is, most of us are still trying to navigate the complex world of technology, and it's no secret that existing solutions often fall short. They either require a PhD in computer science, or are so dumbed down that they're almost useless. And don't even get me started on the so-called AI-powered tools that are really just glorified automation scripts. We need something more, something that can truly enhance our user experience and make our lives easier. The question is, what if there was a way to break free from this cycle? What if there was a system that could understand our needs, anticipate our problems, and provide solutions that are tailored to us as individuals? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, that's exactly what Kling AI promises to deliver. So, let's dive deeper into the features and capabilities of Kling AI and see how it addresses these challenges. One of the most impressive aspects of Kling AI is its ability to learn and adapt to our behavior. It's like having a personal assistant that's always one step ahead, anticipating our needs and providing solutions before we even know we need them. And the best part? It's ridiculously easy to use. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Kling AI is designed to be intuitive, making it accessible to anyone. But what really sets Kling AI apart is its ability to integrate seamlessly with our existing workflows. Whether you're a creative professional, a business owner, or simply someone who wants to stay organized, Kling AI can be customized to fit your unique needs. And with its advanced natural language processing capabilities, you can interact with it in a way that feels natural and intuitive. It's almost like having a conversation with a friend, except this friend is a genius who can solve all your tech-related problems. I've seen firsthand how Kling AI can transform people's lives and businesses. Take, for example, Sarah, a small business owner who was struggling to keep up with her online presence. She was wasting hours each week trying to manage her social media accounts, respond to customer inquiries, and keep track of her inventory. But after implementing Kling AI, she was able to automate all of these tasks, freeing up more time to focus on what mattered most, growing her business. And the results were staggering. She saw a 30% increase in sales and a 50% reduction in customer complaints. But Sarah's story is just the tip of the iceberg. I've seen Kling AI help people streamline their workflows, boost their productivity, and even improve their mental health by reducing stress and anxiety. And the more I use it, the more I realize that this is just the beginning. In conclusion, Kling AI is not just another tech tool. It's a game changer. It's a system that has the potential to transform the way we interact with technology and the world around us. And I'm not just saying that. I've seen it with my own eyes. So, what's your experience been like with AI? Have you had any successes or failures that you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest tech insights and trends, be sure to check out my other videos and hit that subscribe button.